Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Betty. I am the owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design, but we do a little bit of everything on this channel, whether it be Temu hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, Hobby Lobby hauls, you name it. I do budget videos, I do junk journaling, I do Photoshop tutorials, I do all sorts of stuff like that. But today is actually a creative studios. Creative Studios. They were kind enough to send me another box, and I have not even peeked at it yet. I've only cut the tape. And guys, I am back in my original craft studio. I cannot tell you guys how excited I am. Once everything is completed in here, I will give you all a tour. So let's just dive right in because I am dying to look at this. So it's packaged beautifully as always. It's got your creative studio. It says, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy this collection. Look how beautiful that card is. I will absolutely use that card as well. And so let's just get right on into this. Oh, this looks like a fun box. Wow. Okay, so this says Mo Cards, and it says, I guess it's 30 pieces. And let's take a look. Oh, wow. So these are paper. It looks like 2 of them. These are going to be wonderful. And this is like the backing in there, but I'm going to use that as well. This is just beautiful. Very vintagey looking. Super exciting to get into. I'll put it back in there so the stuff does not get lost. Because with all of the moving and all that I'm doing right now, it would be very easy for something to get lost. Oh. Alright, I'm actually going to just take this out like this and set the box to the side. So that way we can just dig right on into it. Alright, so this says Mo Card as well, maybe 15 pieces of this. And this is a good little collection here. So it's got the stickers that have the clear back. So it's got a couple of those. It's got like a little label. And these feel like paper. This one may be a sticker because of the way it feels. It's got some tickets in there. Some maps, like a little vintage script. So that's a good little bundle right there. It's a very versatile bundle. You get a little bit of everything in that. So that will be super fun to play with. Alright, let's move along, see what else we've got. Alright, then this says Time Flies Series Bill Collection. Now this looks fun. And I'm just looking to see if it tells me how many pages. I don't see anything. Oh, wow. Check this out, guys. So it's like vintage ledger paper. So it looks like I've got 3 of that page. So it looks like I get 3 of each one. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is going to be super fun to play with. Look at these. Oh, I love this one. Look at here. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Ah, I love it. Look at that one. Oh, check this one out. These are super neat. Wow. Oh, I love that one too. Oh, that one's really cute. Okay, so this is just a very neat collection of like vintage type invoices and receipts. So that will be fun to play with. Alright, let's get this stuff here. Wow, there's so much stuff. Okay, so this one says Past Memory, and it looks like it's 30 pieces. Oh, now that feels like it's a real baby's breath. It is, guys. That is a real baby's breath. So you get a couple of little labels here. Oh, this stuff is really... Oh, and there's another... Well, it's just a piece of the baby's breath, like a calendar. Oh, wow. That's going to be very fun to play with. And she does such a good job in putting these boxes together. And I know it is hard work getting this much stuff and getting it all together to put for the amount of boxes that she does, but she does great work. So make sure you go over and purchase I think you can purchase just like a 1 month, or you can do, you know, the monthly subscription. I would suggest doing the monthly subscription so that you don't miss a box, because all of her stuff is amazing. So these are those stickers again with that clear background. And it looks like it says 40 pieces. So it looks like you get 20 different designs, 2 of each one. And I will make sure that I leave a link below for you guys, because you definitely want to go and get you some of this stuff. And this is, oh, these are like stamps. Look at that, guys. So it's like the clear background, and then you put the stamp down, and so that's all you would see. And then rub-on transfer stickers. This stuff is amazing. She does such a good job. Oh, so they're different. Okay, so you get that one. So it looks like you get 3 different sheets of rub-ons. And it even comes with a little tool to be able to rub them on. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get into that. Alright, and then we have this, and it says masking tape. So let's take a look and see what this is. And I'm sorry if I'm shaking, you guys. I'm going to have to get back used to filming at this desk. Oh, wow. So this is like tissue paper, but it is a very vintage looking. I don't know if you guys can see how vintage looking that is. And it looks like maybe 5 or 6 sheets of it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to try and stick that back in there right this minute. Alright, so let's see what this is. I don't want to take that and undo that bow, so we're just going to do it like that. Let's just take the stuff out. Oh, wow. Okay, so you get some labels, and then some little like invoice type things, and then some more labels. Those are cool labels. And this paper is just beautiful. Look at that. These will go so good in a journal. Love these. Oh, look at that dragonfly. Wow, look at that page. I love that. And then it comes with like some plain type paper. Oh, look at here. This is very thin. Look at that. Wow. Can you see the texture on this, guys? That is beautiful. Love all of this. Love it, love it. I will have fun with that for sure. Just want to put it back in here so I don't lose any of it. Because in trying to get all this stuff cleaned up, guys, I've got stuff everywhere. If somebody were to walk in my house right now, it smells like bleach. I've got bleach on everything, just, you know, because we haven't lived here in a little while. So just trying to get everything cleaned up really good. All right, so this is 24 sheets. It says 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art papers, and 6 pattern papers. So let's take a look at this. These are very nice size. Oh, so this is sticker. Well, now that's pretty cool. That whole sheet is a sticker. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's the 6 sticker papers. And then these are, what would these be called? Maybe the art papers, I'm not sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one right here. So there's those 6 pages. Beautiful, beautiful. And then these are a thicker paper here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are nice and thick pages. And look at these. These are the vellum to it. Now that is just simply beautiful. How much fun is this going to be? That's a great pack right there. All right, and this says cling stamp. So let's take a look and see what is in here. I hate to even tear the packaging up because she does such a good job. Oh, cool. So it's 3 different stamps. And it's like the flowers. Hopefully you guys can see that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Those look very fun. And this says masking tape. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's see if I can find where it starts. Peel a little bit of it back. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love, love, love that. Alright, and the last thing says cling stamp as well. So let's see what's in this one. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Wow, thank you so much for sending me this beautiful kit. I will have fun playing with this. And so if you want one of these kits yourself, make sure that you jump on over on Your Creative Studio and pick you up a kit. I can assure you that you will not be disappointed because she does such a great job coordinating and getting all this stuff together. I don't know how she's able to do it because this is a lot of work, and she done absolutely amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate it, and stay tuned because there are lots more videos to come, and especially now that I'm back in my home. I'm technically not back in my home just yet, but we're very close. So there you go, guys. That's what all came in this month's Your Creative Studio. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you on the next time. Bye, guys.